Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Crystal. The rain on Friday evening could not postpone the Jamaican book launch for author Donovan J.R. Watkiss and his latest publication, Coloring Culture, a kaleidoscope anthology of essays, seems to be reimagining a higher culture beyond unwarranted privilege and rigged markets.
The thing called cultural appropriation, you know what I call it? Colonization. In reverse, according to Miss Lou. Because you see, the more I travel and see dance hall and my culture elsewhere, you know what that means for me? Access. That means access. That might mean a job, because nobody can do that job like me. That might mean familiarity, because when people become used to, they are less likely to feel threatened.
Coloring culture, according to the author, means seeing things differently, going beyond the normative and usual conformity to seeing brighter colors and different ways to solving old problems.
Anything you are creating, if you want it to sell, you have to do it. And you can't be a barefoot artist. Don't create things for yourself alone. Create it with the intention to get it as far as you possibly can. And you cannot do that without commercial activity. So get to it, create it, ship it, sell it.
Renowned entertainer Bill Cosby was freed of the sexual assault charges against him on Saturday through the declaration of a mistrial following an inconclusive decision from the jury. In a CNN report, Judge Stephen O'Neill was quoted as saying that jurors were deadlocked after 60 days of deliberation. Prosecutors have declared that they will have a retrial, and Judge O'Neill says it will be within the next 4 months. The 79-year-old comedian was charged with 3 cases of aggravated indecent assault. Now, Jay-Z today finally announced that his new album 444, yes, it was directed at a new Jay-Z project, will be an exclusive Tidal release on June 30. A 30-second video tease to the record's first single, Adness, was released starring Moonlight actress Mahershala Ali, who coincidentally is also on the cover of the July issue of GQ magazine.
Letter to my dad that I never wrote. Speeches I prepared that I never spoke.
Big news for rap fans, of course, and the news about is that Jay-Z and Beyonce welcomed their twins on Father's Day. This according to Beyonce's father. Now, former US president is said to have made a slip that it's 2 girls, while congratulating Jay-Z on being the first rapper to be inducted in the Songwriters Hall of Fame.
I like to think Mr. Carter and I understand each other. Nobody who met us as younger men would have expected us to be where we are today. We know what it's like not to have a father around. We know what it's like not to come from much and to know people who didn't get the same breaks that we did. And so we try to prop open those doors of opportunity so that it's a little easier for those who come up behind us to succeed as well. Jay and I are also fools for our daughters, although he's going to have me beat once those 2 twins show up. And let's face it, we both have wives who are significantly more popular than we are.
There is still no confirmation yet on the sex of the twin. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. We'll definitely keep you posted. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.